In this video, we're going to be discussing the terminology called parted, and then after that, we're going to discuss hard parted, and then we're going to discuss what an undercut is. Now, for parted, somebody that wants a comb over and they want to have a part on the side, you're going to want to come on the side and find the part, and then comb everything over. It is very important that the part is as clean and as straight as possible. We don't want to have a part that looks like a squiggly line. It's a little bit more challenging to do that on a mannequin because we just don't have that kind of density that you would find in human hair. But on any person, you should be able to get a nice clean line right across. If we're doing a comb over and the client wants to have a part in their head or in the style that they want, this is what a parted look would look like. So we have a part, it's not a hard part. I will show you what a hard part is, but this is a part where the client simply parts his hair like this and combs it to the side.